3, 2, 1, action. Okay. What's up, guys? So we're back with we're back, but we're doing an unboxing of a game. It's called Struts and Ladders. Oh wait. Watch it. Struts and Ladders, guys. So we're gonna check this game out. Yeah. Partner, can you help me? Okay. Okay, so he's doing an unboxing. And this is how it looks like when he's doing the unboxing. So there we go. Yeah. Open it up now. Okay, open it up, William. And if you don't know, I'm at church, peeps. Oh my god! Okay, so.
Yeah, you have to do it now, you.
Okay.
So, put it there. Just
And then, can you hold the camera? Make sure you're aiming it at me. And so, this is the game, guys. I'm gonna open it up. What we have? What's this? Is this a spinner? I think this is a spinner. Is this a spinner? I think this is the spinner. Okay. What are these now? I don't know what to do, guys. So, is there instructions here? Some instructions. Yeah, let's look at the instructions. Okay. No, those are not. Those are not instructions. So, I'm going to take all of this out. Okay, here are the instructions. Read the instructions. And then, guys, we're not going to play this. We just wanted to show you it. Okay. So, yeah. He's going to read the instructions, and when I get home, we'll play this game and check it out. Okay, so read the instructions. Okay. Object. Be the first player to reach the winner 100 squares. Okay. It says, push up the 3 pawns from the cardboard sheet and insert each pawn into a plastic stand. Okay? So that's enough for me. I think I know how to do this now. So we read this already, guys. So yeah. That was just an unboxing. Bye. I love it.